Today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a yard edger. Other than maintaining the engine of your gas-powered edging tool, from time to time you'll find it necessary to replace the blade. Whenever you're edging, you're typically edging the grass along your concrete driveway or concrete sidewalk, and you do make quite a bit of contact with the concrete sidewalk and driveway, and it will wear this metal blade down after a period of time. This is a little bit fancier than your typical blade. It's got a notch in there. I'm not exactly sure what the purpose of that is, but your typical blades are just a long rectangular blade. But it's rather simple to change the blade out. You just need a couple tools, typically a wrench appropriate to the size of the lock nut, and also a screwdriver or something similar to hold the blade while you're unscrewing it. Now, this lock nut and the washer tells me the direction of tightening the lock nut, so I'm going to do the opposite and loosen. So this direction here would be loosen, that would be clockwise. Now notice the blade spins freely with the wrench on there. I need to hold it, and it might be too hard to hold with my hand, so I simply take a screwdriver, put it in the path of the blade, and that provides pretty good holding to hold it and allows us to loosen it. Got it loose enough I can probably do it by hand now. And the blade comes off now. This washer is stuck to the blade, but that's pretty much how it works.